ready for a rush of speed and style with luxury. I ordered this on online platform for half of its price. This is the Ducati Corse Analog Watch, model DTWG02018804. A timepiece built for those who thrive on performance and precision. This watch embodies Ducati's legendary racing spirit with every detail. A perfect gift for yourself. Picture this, a sleek, durable design that mirrors the power of a Ducati bike, paired with high-quality craftsmanship. It's bold, it's strong, and it's made for men who love the thrill of the ride. Want to know more? I've got all the key features and pricing. Details is in the description below, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Stay tuned for more luxurious reviews.